They look thirsty! Well, let's give them something to drink!
What's up, and welcome back, my fellow warrior brothers and sisters. This is your man, Mr. WaCK, your dude, Mr. WaCK, your homie, Mr. WaCK. And y'all been waiting for a long time. Well, I've been waiting for a long time. Yeah. Anyways, we got some Ace right here, okay? Of course, I will have to do some Ace. It's like a given. I can't help it. I mean, that's like my main guy right there. But I'm happy to start doing it again. Anyways, oh my goodness. If you're new to the channel, be sure to stick around to become another fellow warrior brother or sister. Make sure you whack that like button and share a comment if you like to. It don't matter. We just here. We here right now. We just doing it. This is going to be his most recent track, Aesop Roadwork Rappin. I saw it when it came out, and I seen that it was another long-legged Larry. What I mean by long-legged Larry, I mean by another track that's kid-friendly. You know, I think this man is slowly working his way to making a kid-friendly EP or album. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, let's get ready. Let's go, man. Let's go. Click it.
Construction vehicles, they move that dirt around.
This is crazy.
Where there isn't a road. Construction vehicles, they move that dirt around.
It's absolutely amazing how he got kids in the background of this joint doing it too, yo. Yes. Let's go. And I see a hand. They got somebody in a white suit holding up boards and stuff.
Big boss bulldozer told that pile of debris to move over. Push around rocks, you can push around weight. You should call a bulldozer if there's something in the way. Front loader, cousin of the dozer. Bucket on the front, dumping rubble on the shoulder of the road. Or sand for a highway off ramp. Tow a couple tree trunks, free up a log jam. Back of the front loader, a glorious backhoe. The long arms stretch out and pull the earth back home. Dig a trench for the plumbing and electric. Or dig yourself a pond and put some fishy little friends in her.
Bruh, this man did his study. Goodness. Yo. This is great. He's rapping about construction work. Man, this man can rap about anything. It doesn't matter. He can rap about taking a booger out of his nose and make it something crazy. I mean, I hope he wouldn't. I'd rather him rap about a lava lamp or something. But yeah.
Highway off ramp, tow a couple tree trunks, free up a log jam. Back of the front loader, a glorious backhoe. The long arms stretch out and pull the earth back home. Dig a trench for the plumbing and electric. Or dig yourself a pond and put some fishy little friends in her. Skip the pond and start thinking major. That homemade lake, that excavator. Add a concrete mixer and a dump truck. That's a work site. Thumbs up. Vehicles,
They move that dirt around.
build a road where there isn't a road. Construction
Okay.
vehicles, they move that dirt around. Dig a hole where there isn't a hole. A crane will get a worker to
Bruh, this is like teaching kids something in music format, bruh. This is like you know how when you would grow up, and I don't know if you were, but how some of your teachers will make certain things a song to make it easier to remember whenever you were to do it. This is a prime example of what teachers did. Like, yo, kids can say this and know about road work. We will sing this and know about road work. Oh snap, that's crazy.
A crane will get a worker to the top of any building. A double drum roller paved the parking lot for shredding. I seen my buddy Louie send a wave out to the driver. The driver honked the horn, it made his day a little brighter. Most people think it's noisy.
That's like when you're a kid and you go by, you see an 18-wheeler and you do like this and they honk the horn.
The wave out to the driver. The driver honked the horn, it made his day a little brighter. Most people think it's noisy, but you ain't find us complaining. When those mechanisms roar, it means the makers have been making. The graders have been grading, and that map is slowly figured. Plus, orange cones delivering what orange cones deliver. The sign says caution, but the vibe says awesome. It's both. A safe distance is the wisest approach. It's cool to see that heavy machinery living up close. Just hit the deck when they start revving up or widening a road. I like a hole in the ground. I like a wrecking ball in motion for the crystal clear intention. Destruction is the motive. I also like a bird up from the ashes, especially as a vehicle carrying something massive.
Vehicles, they move that dirt around. Construction. Vehicles, they move that dirt around. Dig a hole where there isn't a hole.
I love a good detour. Folk drive around, I pull over, give me more. Flashing amber.
Hey, some people don't like detours though, you know, because they got road work going on. They don't like taking detours. Hey, but you got to. Yeah, they like you could just ride through it. You might mess your car up. Hope you got good insurance.
I love a good detour. Folk drive around, I pull over, give me more. Flashing amber hazard lights, sure to set the mood for a forklift all the way to the moon. Stay tuned. I welcome any symphony of backup beepers beeping. It's music to my ears. I'd rather it to sleeping. I welcome in cacophony of drills and demolition. The crashing and the clanging, the decibels of engine. That articulated hauler want the center of attention. Though it's more a gentle giant running extra heavy errands, hauling garbage off the site and looking handsome in that yellow. Truck so long in the center it has an elbow. I love road work. I almost love it more than when the road works.
That's funny. That's funny. That's like in the construction more than what they are actually doing once it's done, or what they did once it's done. You know what? That kind of makes sense, because I like watching people do stuff like that too, like with the equipment and stuff. And then when they're done, it's like, I don't know, you don't see it anymore. Like somebody doing some construction down the road from where I stay at right now. It's like a bunch of, they done knocked down a bunch of trees and a house. It looks very empty. Anyways.
Nothing hit the truck so long in the center it has an elbow. I love road work. I almost love it more than when the road works. Nothing hit the spot quite like waking up to Monday morning road work on my block. Construction. Vehicles, they move that dirt around. Build a road where there isn't a road. Construction. Vehicles, they move that dirt around. Dig a hole where there isn't a hole.
Hey, yo. Yo. You gotta give it out, yo, bro. You gotta shout the guy out, bro. That was lipping Ace, bro. Come on now. You got to. He was on point. He was on point. Yo, that was great. That was great, yo. That would be the way to teach your kid about construction work, in a way. That was OSHA certified. Ace is OSHA certified with the lyrics. That man, he just killed that joint, bro. He just, like, yo, construction work, vehicles, they move that dirt around. Dig a hole where there isn't a hole. Yo. Hey, of course, we're going to have some more Ace and other stuff coming up, other artists or whatnot. But I had to start with Ace. I don't know. I made a comment, a community post somebody said, hey, Ace, which I kind of already knew it was going to be Ace that people want to see me come back to do. So, which is crazy because you don't even got to comment that one. I'm gonna come back with that anyways. I mean, I'm not gonna come back with that one anyways, but you know, I'm gonna be on top of that anyways. I still haven't listened to the last album with the Supermarket Jones. I haven't listened to none of that yet. I've been waiting, putting it aside, because I know y'all want to see some stuff. And I want to see and listen to it for the first time. And I get to do that now. Anyways, much love and respect to you, my fellow warrior brothers and sisters. I'm happy. I get to listen to some more A's, some new A's. I still been listening to the It's album, and I still get giggity over that joint. Like that, Spirit World Field Guy still get giggity over that joint. Anyways, again, like I said, much love and respect to you and yours, my fellow warrior brothers and sisters. I hope you enjoyed the reaction. It wasn't too much to try to like decode or think about because it was basically basic. It was like construction work, rapping about construction work and construction workers, you know, construction vehicles. I hope y'all like lava lamps. WaCK out!
Congratulations, you won.